లండన్ అయి కాస్ట్లీ ఉంది అండ్ వర్షం పడుతుంది. సో అది వదిలేసి మేము దాని చుట్టుపక్కల ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయడానికి బయటకు వచ్చాము. దిస్ గాయ్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ థామస్, దిస్ గాయ్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ సంతోష్. It's all fun. సో రంగుల రాట్నం చిన్నప్పుడు జాతరలో ఎక్కాను, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కా. నియర్ థేమ్స్ రివర్. అంత థ్రిల్లింగ్ ఆయన లేదు, స్లోగా తిప్పుతున్నాడు హౌలే గారు. ఇది యాక్చువల్గా కిడ్స్ కోసం మనం ఎక్కాం. It's better to have some wine. So we are planning to take this one. This one, right, bro?
Yeah.
Mulled wine.
And this one for Chechi.
Farmster.
Please edit it, please.
No, you don't edit. Everything will go to YouTube.
Chechi's Instagram ID is.
It's a nice kind of a wine shop. It's not wine shop. Wine is common here. We don't treat alcohol as bad here. It's just to like
But who told
for
us
weather
it was bad?
we have to take it. No, in India, ఇక్కడ mulled wine is famous అంట. వీళ్ళు చెప్తున్నారు ఈ వెదర్కి వైన్ ద బెస్ట్ కాంబినేషన్. People take it and they'll carry it. They'll drink wine here like a tea. వెదర్ అలా ఉంది, అంత చలికి తట్టుకోవాలంటే ఖచ్చితంగా దే హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ సంథింగ్. ఇది ఆ లండన్ ఐ వ్యూ. ఇది ఇక్కడ ఒక వాకింగ్ బ్రిడ్జ్, ఇది దీని నుంచి చూస్తే అది లండన్ ఐ. అది పార్లమెంటరీ స్క్వేర్, మనం అక్కడ దిగినప్పుడు చూపించాను కదా. this one you just have to tap in. Our gang. This is all our gang for now. We are going underground to board the train. So this is the Westminster railway station. From here we are going to Baker Street. So that's where we will find nice food, and people are saying we can see that Sherlock Holmes house, the old house. We'll see. This is further down. So ground ki almost maybe 20 meters down lo unnamo. Anta lopal untundi ee tube, underground tube. It's more than 20 meters. Still going down. If we take one escalator length as like 10 to 15 meters, it will be around 45 meters from the ground level. We are going down to board that underground tube. It's around like total you can take an average 50 meters down to the earth. And these are not new. Once we come inside, we will wait here. Underground look వచ్చిన తర్వాత once ట్యూబ్ అనేది లోపలికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత డోర్స్ ఓపెన్ అవుతాయి ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనం వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. నాట్ ఓపెన్. సో మొత్తం ఫ్లో మొత్తం ఇలాగే కవర్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇట్స్ ఆల్ క్లోజ్డ్. సో వన్ మోర్ టిప్. So in the traffic jams you can just press this one to stop the vehicles, and then you can simply cross. It will be everywhere, like this button will be at every junction. You can just simply press it if you want to cross the road. That is one good thing that I have observed. You don't need to scramble here and there and run. యాక్చువల్గా బస్ ఎక్కి తిరుగుదాం అనుకున్నాం, కానీ వర్షం పడుతుంది కాబట్టి విండోస్లో నుంచి కూడా ఏం కనబడదు. దిస్ ఈజ్ షెర్లాక్స్ హోమ్స్ యాక్చువల్. ఐ విల్ షో యూ ద బోర్డ్ యాజ్ వెల్. సారీ. వెంకట్ This is Sherlock Holmes Museum. Oh, it's not Sherlock Holmes, it's just museum.
Oh, this is and it is museum now.
Okay.
It has been made into museum now.
Oh, ఇది ఇంతకు ముందు Sherlock Holmes house.
No, Sherlock Holmes is an imaginary character.
Yes, that's an imaginary character. They shot it here, or it's like what's the story
I
behind?
don't think so. They shot here. I'm not sure.
Okay. Then how come this place got Sherlock Holmes name? That's what I'm wondering.
Because this address has been picked by the author in the book.
Oh.
221B Baker Street.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
where the fictional character lives.
Okay, now I know the story. So basically, guys, this was the exact address in the Baker Street. You see that 221B. This was the same address that got picked by author in the book. That got developed as a big character now. It's not like that real character is there and he stayed here. It's not like that. The 221B is famous. You see that? Let me zoom it. The 221B. Just a minute. And this is the Baker Street. So that's why it has some importance. has some good collections which are mentioned in the నేనే యాక్చువల్గా అది చూడలేదు షెర్లాక్ హోమ్స్ పూర్తిగా బట్ స్టిల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షో యూ Sherlock Holmes Consulting Detective 1881 to 1904. These are the things that are associated with the character or real Sherlock Holmes. I don't understand. It's just a character. I think these are the things that they have even used in the book. This is what I was talking about. The same thing that has been mentioned in the order. We are just going inside. Let's see. లోపల ఏముందో చూద్దాం.
No, I just need to see the picture.
I have maximum 10 minutes.
Oh. Do we need to take a ticket?
I have not got no app. I have to download it now.
You can fill one of the forms.
Okay.
Oh.
Hello. Do you have reservation? You send the email. You send
It's 12. Oh, 1 second. It's 13.
Get your ticket at the back.
These are all collections related to that book. If we want, we can buy. So one for 4 pounds. Okay.
Not very much.
That's all.
Could you carry your backpack in the front, please? Thank you.
So it's not a single book, Raj. Raj?
Yeah, that's for many stories.
Oh. So these many detective books are there put online and Sherlock Holmes name. We have the
Maximum meeting in the shop 10 minutes. Thank you.
This is what I was talking about. I have to read at least one Sherlock Holmes related book so that I can relate these things. Otherwise, it's all XYZ to me.